upsets and angers me to think about dolphins in captivity, imprisoned for life, and reduced to performing circus tricks to a paying crowd is absolutely heartbreaking.
Every ticket a tourist buys and every ticket that a travel company sells gives these facilities another reason to breed or capture ever more animals into this industry. It's a dolphin factory fueled by tourism and commercial interests.
Swimming with dolphins is often top of travellers' bucket lists, but sadly there's a dark truth behind that once-in-a-lifetime experience. Over the last year, many of us have faced boredom, loneliness, frustration, being trapped within the same four walls. For whales and dolphins in captivity, their whole life is essentially in what we're now calling lockdown. There are a number of welfare issues related to seeing dolphins in captivity, and they might not always be immediately obvious, because the dolphin itself might look okay. But if you think about just the space that they're kept in the wild, a dolphin's range is about 100 square kilometers, but they can range up to 400 square kilometers. Whereas in captivity, they're kept in a tiny tank, which is essentially a swimming pool. On average, it's about 200,000 times smaller than the range that they have in the wild. Sometimes we're told that dolphin shows are educational, but if you look at a lot where they're trainers riding on the back of a dolphin or being pushed out of the water on a dolphin's snout, which is a really sensitive part of the dolphin's body, that just isn't educational. You're not seeing natural behaviours there. All you're learning about is exploitation.
I saw dolphins in the wild a couple of years ago and it was absolutely magical. I will never forget how it made me feel.
Come on, come back. Yes! Hello! Woohoo! Yes! Hello! Woohoo!
Whales and dolphins are highly intelligent, sociable animals and not suitable for captivity at all. At World Animal Protection, we want this to be the last generation of dolphins in captivity. And for that reason, we're supporting World Cetacean Alliance in launching whale heritage sites.
Whale Heritage Sites is a global certification program developed by the World Cetacean Alliance and supported by World Animal Protection. Places that achieve certification are recognised as outstanding destinations for responsible and sustainable whale and dolphin watching.
Tenerife is hugely popular for tourists, especially from the UK, and it's long been famous for wild whale and dolphin watching. You can actually see 28 species of whale and dolphin from its coastline.
I'm delighted to share that Southwest Tenerife has become Europe's very first whale heritage site. So when it's safe for us all to travel again, we can all play our part in helping to protect whales, dolphins and other wildlife by choosing options that allow us to see these beautiful animals in their natural habitat in the wild, safely and responsibly, where they belong.
The site in Tenerife and the one also just launched in Dana Point, California, join the only other two whale heritage sites in the world. Those are the Bluff in South Africa and Hervey Bay in Australia. One of the great things about the Whale Heritage Site program is that it's community driven. So people in the local area, tour operators, scientists, local government are basically working together and collaborating to protect the marine animals on their coastline. Whale heritage sites play a vital role in providing a responsible alternative to the exploitation of captive dolphin entertainment venues.
Oh, listen to him! Ah, fantastic!
It's up to all of us to make responsible choices when we travel. The Whale Heritage Site provides an easy way to select places that are doing it the right way and offering responsible and sustainable wild whale and dolphin watching.